Are we gonna put our feet up?
Oh
Show
yeah.
socks?
Oh yeah. It's a foot.
Is that what you're starting with? Are we started?
Yeah, we're started. Content. We're both wearing our Witch's Brew socks.
We're very proud of ourselves for matching our socks today.
We are very proud of ourselves.
They're not matchy-matchy. They're just the same
They're
pattern.
the same pattern.
I'm not wearing any socks right now.
Wow. Wow.
Shame.
It's not like you have a knitting wife who makes you so many nice socks or anything.
I was wearing them yesterday.
Shame.
We're drinking beer.
We're drinking beer. Lauren has a nice Rheingeist beer that's been in our fridge for a hot minute.
It's very tasty still.
I have the Gravely Partridge, which is their Christmas ale. And you had Gravely
finished
Pumpkin.
mine. Yep. Smashing Pumpkins.
Mm-hmm. So semi-local, extremely local brewery. And now we're gonna open some Advents. Trader Joe's.
30 cent. No. 3-cent chocolate.
Yeah, because this is $1.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. It's a real
Isn't that
loss
wild?
later.
Yeah.
I feel like the packaging at least costs $1.
Yeah. Why can't I find 8? There's 8.
It's really cheap. I don't know.
Today's the 8th, right?
I believe so.
Yeah, sure.
It's a cupcake.
It's a cupcake.
Hooray!
Hooray! Who wants to eat the cupcake?
Very cool.
You're welcome.
Mmm.
Oh, we do yarn last.
All the flavor of 3 pennies.
This is the Stickii stickers. Shoot.
Shoot-ba-doo, shoot-ba-doo, ba-doo, ba-doo.
It's more cute Japanese snacks, I think.
Very cute.
Is it all
Right, Deer
pancakes?
Station.
No, it's just
Are they all?
little reindeer guys?
no, because you got donuts. In
Oh yeah,
there as well.
these are like some people with washi tape too.
Oh, is that washi tape? I thought it was donuts.
I think they're little washi tapes.
Yeah.
Cute.
Gingerbread or something. But a lot of pancakes.
Yeah, it's like pancakes and stationery because there's pens and stamps too.
What more could you ask for in life?
I mean, I like pancakes and stationery.
Me
so
too.
I'm happy with that.
Next chocolate.
Chocolate, fancy chocolate.
8.
Is there. Right. Ooh, it's another
Oh, it's
rapid one.
wrapped.
You know what this is? Your Godiva skills?
No.
It's a
I do.
mint medallion.
Yeah.
It's like a peppermint patty. You seem excited about it. Do you want it? You want to share
Do
it
you
with
like
Lauren?
mint chocolate, Lauren? Okay, then I will share with you. Do you want to bite it first or second?
I don't care.
Okay, very good. Oh,
Yeah. I kiss animals on the mouth.
there's a totally different level of structural integrity than I figured.
Mm.
It's good.
Thank you for giving us your chocolate. You
Good,
didn't
like
get a
mint.
bite of your chocolate today. We took it all.
That's okay. This is coffee. It's a coffee bag. It's Kenya AA. And they like it brewed in a V60, which is pour over, which is convenient for us.
We have that.
We do. Yarns. The sheet with the names is in here.
Is that where in the tote bag?
On the side, you can rate your quality.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Look, everybody. There's little
Wow.
stars and
Look
a little
at
spot
this.
where you can put how much you liked each one, so you can remember if you wanted to purchase more. That's good. That's good marketing.
That is good marketing. Didn't work on me though.
I mean, you still could do it.
It's true, it's true. Ooh. Yawn. Oh, there's a sticker in here too.
Ooh.
Surprise
Oh,
sticker. It's the weird little head tradie guys.
Yeah.
And yarn to match him.
And the
little
yarn
guys,
is
I found
called
them very
Fire
exciting.
Gang.
Yeah, that's these guys.
Mm-hmm.
That's
and it
cool.
is naturally dyed with madder root and Himalayan rhubarb.
Wow. Wonder where one even acquires Himalayan rhubarb aside from obviously the Himalayas, which is
Yeah, you beat me to it.
That's so cool.
Well, I
I
assume
would
that
imagine the
the
Himalayas.
dyer is an American-based dyer.
Not in the
Not a
Himalayas.
Himalayan-based dyer.
No.
And then you put it in here.
Yep.
Fire Gang.
Fire gang.
You put the sticker in there too.
Yes, see.
Cool, 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 cool.
Fun stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that was our Advent time.
Mm-hmm.
We're watching Fellowship of the Ring. We're drinking beers. We're gonna
Okay, bears,
fold some
bears.
boxes. And that's it. That's all I have. Do you have anything?
We could tell them about our day.
I don't tell them where I work.
Okay.
Mhm.
We were at Emily's work.
Mm-hmm.
It's a mystery.
Well, I mean, most people know where it is, but I don't like put it in public
Got it.
videos.
That's fair.
So, if you
Well,
know where I work, that's where we work.
Dox yourself.
Mm-hmm. Please don't talk to me or my work.
We got bagels. Emily gave me an everything bagel, and it was delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that everything bagel's my favorite.
We like flavor, unlike Emily.
I like no flavor.
Well, you do like multigrain, which kind of has its own
I did. I got a plain
type
today though.
flavor. You didn't get a multigrain? Did they not have one?
No, they did. I got multigrain.
Oh.
I got bagels for us to have tomorrow, and I got multigrain.
And cinnamon
And
raisin.
cinnamon raisin.
I saw that.
You sound really disappointed. In
No,
the
I'm
cinnamon
happy with
raisin.
that.
Oh, okay.
No.
I'm sorry.
No. That's what we normally get, and I'm glad.
I don't like the everything bagels because they make everything taste like onions to me.
Onions and garlic.
I know, but
That's
like
nice.
I don't want the cinnamon raisin
Happy
to
feet.
taste like
Yeah.
that. Those things.
Yeah. Fair enough. Fair enough.
Yep.
All right.
We're getting coffee with Amber tomorrow. That's a fun thing to look forward to for FTK fans.
I'm not. I'll be in Lexington.
No, you won't be a part of Vlogmas probably. Okay. Let's go watch the Fellowship. Bye.
Bye.